Hi, I'm Terry Summerhays with Terry Summerhays team at RE/MAX, and I'm here with our new listing at 59 East Bend Avenue North. Let's take a tour. Thanks for watching. To book a viewing for this beautiful home, just send us a message.